Hey guys, it's Leanne with Eat Drink Local Texas, and today I'm with the founder of the Bloody Buddy, Buddy Jordan. Thank you so much for joining me today.
I'm happy to be here. Thanks for having me.
So I have a question. What exactly is the Bloody Buddy?
The Bloody Buddy is a ready-to-drink Bloody Mary, which means the vodka's in the bottle already.
Ooh, okay.
So all these bottles you see, different sizes, have the vodka in the bottle.
So how did you start the Bloody Buddy?
So me and some friends, we worked at a fine dining steakhouse in downtown Austin. Chili pepper infused vodka is something I was making behind the bar. They started making a version of the Bloody Buddy. Put it on the menu, and it became quickly the #1 drink on the menu. So I got started. We were just bartenders at a steakhouse in downtown.
Let's say I'm interested in buying some. Sure. Where could I look for you guys?
Yeah. Mainly in liquor stores, like Alamo City Liquor right here.
Okay.
But we're in over 2,600 liquor stores in now 15 states, most recently 15 states. So
that's
liquor
amazing.
store is the best bet. You can find us in the ready-to-drink aisle, like in a liquor store.
That sounds good to me. And where could we find you guys on social media, or do you have a website or anything like that?
Yep. TheBloodyBuddy.com is our website. There's a store finder on there to help you find the Bloody Buddy. Just enter in your zip code and stores kind of populate, but there's some cool videos on there as well.
Nice.
You can kind of see us behind the scenes at the warehouse, but also Facebook and Instagram, The Bloody Buddy on both of those.
Perfect. Well, I'll make sure to check that out.
Thanks.
Well, thank you so much for joining me, buddy. And if you come and you buy the Bloody Buddy, make sure that you tell them Eat Drink Local Texas sent y'all. Kind of like a tongue twister, Bloody Buddy.
Red leather, yellow leather. Red leather.
What's in it? Vodka.
It's a Bloody Mary.
Oh, wait. Sorry. What's your last name again?
Jordan.
Jordan.
Like Michael.
Okay. Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Hey guys, it's Leanne with Eat Drink Local Texas, and today I'm with the founder of the Bloody Buddy, Buddy John. Oh my God, sorry. I was gonna say Johnson.
I mean, there's Michael Johnson's out there.
No.
Michael
Jordan.
The well-known Michael.
Buddy Jordan. Okay. Nice. Was that good?
That was great. I like that ending.